Hi class, this is the overview of week 2 in which we are talking more about the history and evolution of the internet. So you know where it comes from a little bit about like PayPal was really important to give it sort of a payment system and get commerce into developing the internet. Then there were some programming languages like Flash and ActionScript that come and gone. So it's kind of good to know that everything that you learn maybe in 5 years, 10 years, it won't be relevant anymore. You never know. But HTML is still going to be around, I'm pretty sure. It's also very important that the iPhone came with it because that made it mobile, which changed sort of everything, how we use the web, of course. And then this is an assignment where we're going to talk about fairy tales, who knows, but we're talking about touch points where the user interacts with it. And you see how like UX designers work a lot with post-its that they put on the wall. These people seem to have a lot of fun with it. So a great picture I found there. We're going to sort of make a map of a user experience on how happy and how sad we were. It doesn't have to be as graphically involved as the one is this example here, but I'm going to show you a few other ones. That's going to be one of the assignments we're going to do this week. Also, I'm introducing you to all the different kinds of user interface elements because in the next week we'll have an assignment where we're just going to bring all of the ones that we could possibly think of onto one page. This is also about rules and conventions of using these user interfaces and what they use, what they can be used for, what they're, how they, so also there's a bunch about the rules and conventions of user interfaces and what they can be used for, what they make sense for. And what they don't make sense for, I show you a list of the most common mistakes that I see happening all the time. At the end, the big next assignment is going to be redesigning a web page, and that's not going to be a functional, interactional, but it will be just the design. So we'll look at some of the web pages that we think would be good candidates to redesign. You don't have to redesign an entire website. I just want you to redesign sort of one aspect of it. Could be the homepage, could be just the navigation, or just be the card, or some section of it that you think you can really improve on. So I want you to start thinking of what's a good website to redesign. And I hope you enjoy week 2.